I'm just now getting off work. I'm gonna go on an awesome adventure. Gonna stay in a small trailer. You know those teardrop trailers? I've never seen one and I've always wanted to, and this is gonna be pretty dope. It's in a little city or a little town called Hawkins, Texas. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what it's like. So let's get out of here.
Quarter mile, turn right.
Well, this is cool. They've got a bunch of different places here to stay. And I think I can park right over here. Well, I made it. I'm here. Woo! It was such a cool drive. Yeah. And this property is huge. They've got like stuff over there and over here and there. I'll show you all in a minute. I'm excited to take a look at what the teardrop trailer looks like. I've never been in one, so this is gonna be my first time. Yeah, so let's go check it out. It's got its own key and lock. It looks really tiny. Oh wow, look at that. It is super tiny. Oh, but it's functional, look at that. That is super cool. All right, here's the entrance right here. It's got this door with this cool little window with some tint on it, for obvious reasons. And then here is the queen-sized bed. Some blankets, some towels, cool because I didn't bring any, I totally forgot. And then you've got the TV, you got the heater, and I'm not sure where the AC is at, but oh, it's right there maybe. That is it really. It's not that big, it's really small. I'm definitely gonna be able to fit in here and sleep really well. That's really important for me today because I'm tired. I've been up since 5 in the morning, went to work, and from work I did a straight shot here, so yeah. Here is the covered patio. As you can see, it's covered, and the kitchen that's attached to the little teardrop trailer is right back here. And it's got a coffee maker, Keurig. We'll uncover that later if we use it. There's some coffee, some creamer, all of that cool stuff. And toilet paper. I've got my wipes because I like using wipes, but I put those in a bag so I don't clog any of their toilets. And yeah, so this trailer is really cool. Makes me want to get one, but I don't have room for one right now. Maybe later. Have you all ever stayed in a teardrop trailer? Leave it in the comments below. No, like really, leave it in the comments below. Just right over here, kitty corner to where I'm staying, is a small little trailer. I've stayed at places like this a few times. I kind of know the general layout of what things are included with the stays here. Like there's an outdoor kitchen here, which we'll take a look at now. This definitely has the country feel to it. It's got pine needles, has the turf, it's got a refrigerator, it's got a television. Great spot to watch movies at night while having dinner with the family. The host did mention that there is a restroom out here, but it's winterized. It's not winterized, I mean, so they close it up during the winter, and the guests here have to use the one where I'm at on the other area. I mean, just to go to the restroom out here during the summer is an adventure. I think it's cool. Let's take a peek inside. Oh, that's as good as it's gonna get.
got to thinking about the vacation rental thing, how much easier that would be just to have, 2-day people coming in for 2 days
Yeah,
or
for
5
sure.
days or whatever. And it was a lot easier to deal with than long-term renters. So we bought a teepee, a regular, it would sleep 6. We could sleep whole families in it. The regular Native American teepee.
You know what I totally missed is this little cabinet here. There's a microwave. How cool is that? And let's check it out. Oh, look at this. It's full of stuff, napkins, cool, because I didn't bring any, and utensils, wallpaper, etc. Let's take a look at this side. Oh yeah, that's the router. The cool thing is I do have the router hooked up to my site, so I get the best reception. I have my own sleeping bag that I'm gonna sleep on, and then I have my blanket here that I brought as well. I'm not gonna use their blankets, but I like using my own stuff. I just washed this yesterday, so it's clean. Just gonna get ready for tonight, and I might call it a night early because I'm really tired. All right, I'm all set up and ready to go. Look at this. It's like naturally warm. Decided to take a little walk around. It's dark. It's getting dark. It looks a little brighter on camera as always. Let me get rid of this gum. I don't like talking when I have gum in my mouth. There you go. Go wash my hands. Oops. All right, just made a fresh cup of coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and drink it and call it a night. Good night. Yeah, it's dope. I didn't know it was snowing. What the heck? Well, it kind of sucks because I wanted to go out. I'm still gonna go out there, but I don't want to get all the camera stuff wet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get up, take a shower, and then make some breakfast, and then just figure out what I can do right now since it's snowing outside. I love the snow. Absolutely love the snow. Shower time. Woo. What a gorgeous day. I mean, the snow is totally unexpected, and it just makes it for a better trip, I think. I love the snow. I love the cold. It's starting to get cold. Go and make some breakfast and then get out there and start exploring. So, yeah, let's do this. As I'm taking a stroll through woods stuff, I stumble upon this. Check this out. A chandelier in the middle of the woods. Interesting. I honestly don't know what that's about. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Well, I hope you all enjoy the adventure. And until next time, roam with Jeep.